Hi guys, this is Josh Chick here, and today we're going to have the unboxing of the Mpow 071 headset. Let's go. Alright, again guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to have the unboxing of the Mpow 071 noise cancelling headset. Okay, so without further ado, so let's open it. It actually took like 2 weeks for me to get it because of the transportation delay. Yes, so now let's try to. Alright, so wow, I'm so happy to see this. Alright, so although that there are some kind of deformity of the package, and it is still looks nice, guys. So the color of the box is, yes, it's red, and below there is a kind of specifications. So we have here the adjustable boom microphone, exclusive 2-in-1 inline control, 3.5 millimeter and USB connection, enhanced digital audio, built-in noise reduction sound card. Alright, so this is the look of the headset. And on the sides, yes, so also the specifications that we just read at the bottom part. And yes, also at the back, so there are some also information that we can have. So works with common calling applications across almost all platforms and operating systems. Yes. All right, so now let's open it, guys. All right. Ta-da! Okay, so let's just set this aside. So we've got here our manual. Yes. So in front you can see here the wired computer headset, Mpow audio wired, and also here are the instructions. Also the guide, yeah, the guide, and the, how do I say, the parts. Yes, so we have here the retractable headband, soft memory protein, air cushions, rotatable mic, and also the microphone, and also the volume up and down and the mute. Yes, so it's basically very informative, guys. So I think you won't have any problem with using it. So let's have here. Okay, it's encased with a bubble wrap. It's very good, guys. So they really make sure that, oh, make sure that the product is in safe packaging. And yes, they have here the warranty free 2 years. So activate here within 15 days to extend warranty for 2 years. I did not expect this. Well, it's pretty cool. So product giveaway. This is actually like membership benefits, exclusive discount, birthday gift, and more. This is nice. I did not expect this. Okay, so let's set this aside and done. Alright, so this is now the headset, guys. Wow, it looks premium. Okay, alright, so this is the retractable headband, as they said. So yeah, you can adjust it here to whatever fits you. Yes, like that. And okay, here is now the ear, what's they call it, the ear cushion. Yes, ear cushion, which is nice, guys. So when you touch it, it feels so soft. Yes, and this is the retractable mic. I mean, yeah, is this like a retractable mic? It's the rotatable. Okay, we have here the rotatable mic, guys. So it's very soft. Yes, as you can see, it looks nice. And you can actually move it like this if you want to keep it. mean, on the ear cushions, so there is like the branding, the Mpow. And let's just take it. Plastic. Alright, maybe we just don't need to get, yeah, that one. And alright, on top of the headband, there is also another foam here, guys. It feels so soft as well. Okay, and okay, so we have here the 3.5 millimeter jack, as you can see. Okay, so let's just put this aside, and we have here the other wire that we have. This is where we can connect our headsets. Okay, so okay, this is the Mpow also branding here, and the mute. Yes, volume up and down, and the volume like kind of mute, and this one is mic mute. All right, so you can just connect it to your main line, and yes, you can already use this one to connect to your laptop. But if you don't want, you can just use this one here, and yeah, just like that. But if you, in my case, because I do online job, so I think I really need this one to connect. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys how it looks when I wear it. Okay, so let's just see it for a while. Alright guys, so this is now how I look like after wearing this headset. So it's very comfortable, and whenever I wear it, it feels like I don't really wear any headset. Yes, so and I think for a long time you will don't feel any kind of pain on your ears. So I hope I can use this for a very long time because I think I like it, and the retractable mic is very nice. Because the other headset that I had before, the microphone was kind of broken. Alright, so yeah, let's test it, and I'm going to tell you if it's worth the price. Alright guys, so now I'm already wearing it, and I actually connect this headset to my iPhone, and let's try to check if it's really nice. So let's see. 1 2 3 check, 1 2 3 check. 1 2 3 check, 1 2 3 check. All right, yeah. Okay, so I think guys that sounds great for the price, and I'm very happy that I can use this one. And if you have any questions about this headset, you just comment down below. And again guys, I'm already wearing it, and it doesn't feel bad, and I feel it's really comfortable with my ears, and it fits so perfectly. All right, so if you have any questions guys, especially for these people who want to purchase an affordable headset, just comment down below, and I will try to answer your questions. And then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, again guys, this is Josh, and I'll see you soon.